Welcome in the arena. My name's Allyson Klein. We are coming to you from the AI Infra Summit in Santa Clara, California, and I am really excited about this next guest. You've heard about us talk about Synopsys on the program before. Anand Thiruvengadam, Senior Director and Head of AI Product Management from Synopsys is with us. Welcome to the program, Anand.
Thanks for having me, Allyson. It's great to be here.
So Anand, you haven't been on the program before. Why don't we just start with an introduction of Synopsys and what you're driving as Head of AI Product Management?
Sure. This is an exciting time to be in semiconductors, Allyson. Semiconductors are fueling the AI revolution that's happening all around us. It's interesting to note that AI is pushing the limits of chip design, compute, memory, interconnect. And ironically, chip design is ripe for disruption by AI. And that's the story, right? So what we announced earlier this week is essentially, building on what we have actually unleashed in the market over the last more than 5-6 years. If you notice, Synopsys has pioneered the use of AI in chip design with introduction of many revolutionary technologies. We can talk about it for sure. This is an exciting time. And we are at the forefront of ushering in a revolution when it comes to chip design with AI and especially agentic AI.
You announced your Copilot capabilities to early users. Copilot is the first iteration of your long-term vision of where we're going with generative and agentic AI. What do you see this doing for developers, and why is this such a big deal?
Yeah, it's actually a big deal. So for us, we look at the generative AI applications in multiple value tiers. The first value tier is assistive capabilities. These are the capabilities that assist human chip engineers as they go through the design process. For use cases like knowledge retrieval, tool, script generation, ramping up on tool usage, and so forth. I think it's a great way to flatten the learning curve for early, career engineers, if you will, or even mid-level and expert engineers, because a lot of the time is spent in looking for answers. And then the next value tier is what we call as creative capabilities. Sure. So these capabilities essentially, as the name implies, help with collateral generation, various types of collateral used in chip design. And that's essentially, piggybacking on the announcement we made earlier this week. Early access customers are seeing enormous benefits, cutting down, some of the cycles we're talking about from days to hours or hours to minutes. Yeah. And I think that's the reason why we think it's a big deal, because it's a great way to unlock productivity and help accelerate innovation.